Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155, Ringkat Baganet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ki jat ben riu Garo ki besong pasa apok tem Ribhoi apok kalama joko all Ribhoi Garo Headmen Association hakakat kendai terik no pra arjar apuar kila pelong dak jinya pet ba ke snong rang sukuna bandawai ke office usiem ke himam liem ban ai sanat ikitang ba snong jeng kisan pen riu ligi snong balu bahai snong daki Garo ki badan tem Ribhoi ka all Ribhoi Garo Headmen Association kalapan pauru ya kajing bitarik ya ka office usiem ka himam liem kepala IT da kajing thawa ka office jo deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district ban om pedang ya ka no objection certificate lani ka dular khando bala ai da kirang ba snong jong kisnong Garo
we won hey Garo khalijanjia
Garo community are fall under the 6th schedule constitution of India. Tribal will be never treated as a tribal only, which are recognized as civil tribe, both by the central government and as a well-state government, and there is no such provision or regulation that one tribal community can dominate. That we are not against any community, but we are demanding our right to administer our own village. At Garo Autonomous District Council Tura, Headman Nokma, they appoint all the tribal communities under its jurisdiction. And Kabi along District Council, they appoint all the communities under the jurisdiction, including Khasi, Garo Jaintia. Even there is Garo MDC, Khasi MDCs, that we sitting some example, some from northeastern state. We are residing in Nagaland, Arunachal, Tripura, and every 24 district of Assam. There's every 24 of Assam not interfere by any other tribe or community. Where is our own state, our right is illegally denied to us. So we request to all the competent authorities to look into that aspect also, especially Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Himamilim Shillong, state government, Konatke Sangma, intervene. So this much only I would like to conclude here.
From all the villages of Ribhoi have gathered here to demand our right, because just recently on 1st December 2022, Milim have issued a letter to the DC that Garo should not be recognized as Headmen, and their NOC and their whatever letter issued by the Garo Headmen should not be accepted. So these are discrimination against our Garo people. So all this to demand our right, we have gathered here and we will fight for our right. We are not going to fight bodily, but we'll fight with the rules and legal advice of our land. I hope the authorities concerned will listen to us and will give us our right. If not, we'll go to the court of the law. And as the democracy of our country, we have the right to settle anywhere, and we have the right to be the headman of our own villages. So the action taken by the William Sim due to pressurization of different NGOs who are the local people, local NGOs only, and they don't think about the humanity. So I condemn those NGOs. Even in Garo Hills, if any tribe settle there, they have the right to become a headman of their own village. But in our Ribhoi district, in particular, and in Khasi Gentiles in general, they are not giving the right to become a headman of their own villages. So these are discrimination against not only the Garos of different types of Meghalaya who are staying from the time immemorial, from British rule. So we demand that our rights should be provided to us. And we will unite more and more day by day to get our right.